Did you know that making AI videos does not automatically get you monetized? In fact, some AI videos are almost guaranteed to lose monetization on YouTube. The biggest myth on YouTube is that AI videos cannot make money. That's completely false. Thousands of AI-assisted channels are earning every month. YouTube doesn't hate AI. It hates low-value and repetitive content. If your video looks like it was made in one click, you're already in danger. If you're simply generating images, adding an AI voice, and uploading them without any creativity or editing, YouTube may consider your content low effort. AI news channels are growing fast. But simply reading news articles with an AI voice isn't enough. If you're adding no original opinions, commentary, or research, YouTube may treat your content as low value. Many creators enough success. Many creators believe pressing one button is enough to build a YouTube channel. But if AI writes your script, creates your visuals, and edits your video, where is your creativity? Another risky category is mass-produced motivational and quote videos. If thousands of creators can generate your content within seconds, YouTube won't consider it particularly valuable. The good news is that YouTube monetizes plenty of AI-assisted content every day. If you're teaching, explaining concepts, or providing useful information, AI can actually become your greatest advantage. Original storytelling and creative editing are exactly the kinds of things you want to reward. The secret formula is simple. Creativity plus originality plus value equals monetizable content. Before uploading any AI video, ask yourself these 6 questions. If most of them are a yes, you're already on the right path. The smartest creators don't let AI do everything. They use AI as an assistant and make the final product their own. Think of AI as just one step in your creative process. Research, creativity, and editing are still your responsibility. The biggest mistake creators make is trying to replace themselves with AI. The most successful channels are the ones that combine human creativity with artificial intelligence. Yes, you can absolutely start an AI YouTube channel today. Just focus on creating content that educates, entertains, or solves real problems. At the end of the day, YouTube isn't asking whether you used AI. It's asking whether your content provides value to real people. AI isn't replacing creators. It's helping great creators become even better.